Alexander von Ness is a book cover designer with almost 20 years of professional experience. He is a multiple winner and finalist of international graphic design contests in the category of book cover design. But in the beginning, Alexander was a man with an idea and a dream. In Croatia, it is very difficult to start a business. He managed to achieve his dreams and stand as a proof of what can be achieved with determination and hard work.
Alexander owns a website which is called Bookcoverpedia. It's a very successful website on which you can buy and order book covers. It's a simple, user-friendly website, and with a few clicks you can buy a cover for any book. You can browse through hundreds of pre-made covers, or you can contact Alexander so he can make one specifically for you. You say what you want specifically and he makes it for you. He told us about it when he came to our school.
Zahvalio bi ravnateljici škole, profesoricama Anđeli i Andreji što su omogućili učenicima ovu jednu atraktivnu radionicu u kojoj su mogli naučiti dosta puno stvari iz Photoshopa i između ostalog gdje su mogli primijeniti svoja znanja. Nadam se da će učenici moći upotrijebiti to svoje znanje i između ostalog u svom životu i za svoje osobne potrebe.
Last month we were visited by a man who does Photoshop for his living. Photoshop was a theme we were studying at that point in our informatics class. Our teacher invited him to teach us the basic needs to make book covers with Photoshop. He told us he earns 500 euros by a book cover. He had us making a book cover for Ana Karenina by using internet pages to get free pictures without getting copyrighted, and he also showed us a page where we can sign up and also make book covers for money. He showed us some of his best book covers and explained us the process he takes upon every time he has a new job opportunity. We learned how to use Photoshop just enough for our needs, and it was great that he didn't get too much into it, respecting our interests. We also learned hacks like double exposure to make our own pictures more interesting for everyone to see. We all really liked Photoshop workshop, and it was a highly enjoyable experience for all of us. We hope we learn more from interesting people in the future too, because we all really liked learning in this way. This was also an excellent opportunity to be introduced in a world of entrepreneurship and to be encouraged for taking initiative and put our ideas into practice.
Ova radionica mi se jako svidjela, naučili smo puno toga o book coveru. Drago mi je što naša škola pruža nešto tako da nam neko može doći i pokazati nam nešto van školskih granica. Jako je zanimljivo i nadamo se da ćemo imati još ovakvih radionica.
Možemo